Wondering why oil prices suddenly slipped after last week's rally? Here's what's driving the changes. Global oil prices slipped this week, following a sharp 2% rise in the previous session. As of Tuesday, Brent crude was down to $69.37 a barrel, while West Texas Intermediate fell to $67.69. So, what's causing the shift? The big story is OPEC+, the group of major oil exporters and their allies. They just agreed to boost oil production by 548,000 barrels per day in August, much more than the increases we saw earlier this year. This move nearly erases the voluntary supply cuts that propped up prices before. Most of the new oil is coming from Saudi Arabia, with other countries like Iraq and Kazakhstan unlikely to make big jumps. Meanwhile, the U.S. just added a twist. President Trump announced higher tariffs on trading partners like South Korea, Japan, and several others. These tariffs, set to kick in on August 1st, have rattled markets and sparked fears about future oil demand if the global economy slows down. But it's not all gloom. U.S. oil demand remains strong. Over 72 million Americans hit the road for the July 4th holiday, and gasoline use is up. Plus, investors are staying upbeat, increasing their bets on oil prices rising. In short, oil prices are being pulled between rising supply, trade tensions, and solid U.S. demand. Keep an eye on the next OPEC+ meeting in August and any new tariff developments. They could set the tone for where prices go next. Stay tuned.